Hi guys, so this is Josie after a 7-8 trim all over. This is Josie totally finished. So hi. Hi. So this is her. She just had a trim. Didn't do much on the tail. So yeah. Have a kiss now? Josie, give Mummy a kiss. Give Mummy a kiss. Josie, give Mummy a kiss. No, she said, let me go. Let me go. So her face is still a bit wet there. That's a muzzle, so she's always licking it, so that's fine. So just high velocity dried her after a quick trim. Her teddy bear trim. And yeah. Got to paint her nails because her nails are painted. Blue with crazy confetti, but they're coming off, so we'll do that later. Okay, see yous. Bye.